Hello, so ito po yung ating reading para sa mga earth sign. Ako po si Madam P. Let's start your reading. Pa-comment na lang dyan guys sa baba. Ma-appreciate ko lahat ng likes, comments, and share. And please do help our channel grow by, of course, subscribe, no? And hit the notification bell. And if you want, pwede ka magpa-personal reading, Madam P, yun yung aming Facebook page. Diyan ka pwede mag-inquire, nakakonect yan sa aming WhatsApp, and yeah, TikTok, Unipree. May mga sinishare ako mga videos dyan. Be sure to check it out. Let's start. What do we have here for the sign of Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn? King of Swords is here, followed by the Temperance. Okay. So, sa nakikita natin dito, with the King of Swords and the Temperance, I feel like ang dami mong pinagdaanan, no? Pagdating sa usaping professional, no? With the Temperance, nandun yung napapagod ka, nandun yung sinubok ka, na-challenge ka. But all of these are training. Kung ano man yung mga pinagdaanan mo, it could be because the universe wants you to learn. 'Di ba? So, may mga learnings kang natutunan dito, and now mas magaling ka na ngayon. Like, ganun naman talaga ang buhay, 'di ba? The more you age, the more na marami kang matututunan sa buhay, marami kang mai-experience, and of course, all of those experiences ay makakatulong para maging mas better ka. And what I can see here is that nagiging mas mature, nagiging mas better kang person. The moon is here. And the judgment, a lot of you is nagkakaroon ng spiritual awakening, and pwedeng with regards sa connection mo with the person that you're dealing with, nandun yung energy na parang napagod ka na. Hindi naman napagod. Dumating ka na sa napagod eh. So, nandito yung namamahinga ka na. Maybe you no longer want to chase, you no longer want to run from this connection. You're waiting. No? Hindi naman literal na hintay na hintay na hintay or what. Yung parang sinusuportahan mo na lang yung person mo sa kung ano yung mga choices niyang gawin sa buhay niya or kung ano nangyayari sa connection ninyong dalawa. Pwedeng nag-mature ka na spiritually na parang nakikita mo na yung person mo na, okay, tapos na ako, napagdaanan ko na yung mga na yan, mga bagay na yan. So, it's your turn. 'Di ba? So, maybe you know na yung connection ninyo is kind of spiritual energy, and pwedeng alam mo yung soulmate connection ninyo, twin flame connection ninyo, and sa nakikita natin dito, maybe you are already healed. 'Di ba? Parang okay ka na. Nag-mature ka na spiritually. Yung ibang ang tagal nang naka-follow. And might be etong mga pag-follow mo na nangyari sa akin is pwedeng nakatulong din sa iyo somehow to increase your spirituality, and somehow magkaroon ka ng mga knowledge regarding your person, which is yun nga ngayon is para ma-update ka na lang sa kung kamusta na ba siya or ano na ng level ng spiritual awakening etong person na to whatsoever, etc. 'Di ba? So anyway, punta tayo sa person mo. What is the energy of your person? Okay, the Fool is here, the Magician, Four of Wands. Okay. Ay, no, hindi ko to kukunin. Naramdaman ko it's not the message. The Fool. Kunin ko lang yung mga lumabas talaga. The Fool and the Magician. Okay, dalawang major arcana. Yan, puro major arcana lumabas na ni Temperance. Temperance is also a major arcana. And the Star. Okay? And the Magician and the Fool is here. Alam mo yung person na to is like drunk. I mean, hindi ko naman sinabing lasing siya ngayon. But anyway, it could be yung energy niya is parang lasing. Okay? Hindi niya alam kung saang direction siya pumunta. Go with the flow. You know what I mean? Why do I get this feeling na para siyang nagayuma? Or if not nagayuma, it could be napikot. Ganun yung energy. Or um parang napipigilan siya sa gusto niyang gawin. Parang ano nga kasi nangyayari, may manipulate or ah, may nagsasabi sa kanya kung ano dapat niyang gawin, etc. Like, minamandohan siya. Ganun yung energy. So, the star is here. So, yeah, puro major arcana yung lumalabas. This could be a spiritual connection. I feel like yung heart niya or yung emotions niya is still connected to you with the Ace of Cups. Pero yun nga, parang wala siyang magawa regarding dito. So, ano yung mga emotions ninyo sa isa't isa? Tell me about this. The Three of Pentacles, the Devil is here. Tell me about the emotions. The Emperor. And the Four of Wands, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Bottom of the deck, you do have your the Knight of Swords. Okay, emotion ng ikaw muna. The Three of Pentacles and the Devil. I feel like part of you is gusto mo siyang tulungan. Pero kasi, ang mali dito sa person na to, parang nakita ka niya as mali. Or maybe yung connection ninyo, nakita niya parang mali. Or, I don't know. It feels like nagkaroon ng connection sa inyo dati. And, parang hindi siya naniwala or hindi siya nag-trust sa'yo or hindi siya nagtiwala sa pinaka-connection ninyo. So, ang energy para siyang natakot or could be because maybe yung iba sa inyo pwede may kakonect ka pang iba. The time na nagkaroon kayo ng connection or maybe there's a third party na involved around that time. Tapos, well, I don't know kung kaninong side, no? Kung side niya or side mo. Tapos, lumalabas dito na yung person mo is like, lumabas na pangit sa kanya or hindi maganda is ikaw. Maybe because of your actions. And with the Four of Wands, etong person na to wants stability from you. Parang ganun gusto niya ng stability. Pero parang during that time, maybe hindi mo kayang ibigay pa sa kanya yon or hindi mo na ipakita sa kanya na kaya mo ng commitment or stability sa kanya. Parang ganun. So, naging magulo yung connection ninyo. So, that's why etong person na to is okay, sorry about that. So, anyway, in the future, you do have the Knight of Pentacles. Make sure not to surround yourself with draining people. Yun lang yung energy na dapat, like yung guidance ko sa'yo. Huwag mo i-surround yung sarili mo sa mga taong hindi ka deserve. Huwag mo sayangin ang oras mo sa kanila. You do over the star. You're going to reach your goal faster kung nasa mga tamang tao ka. Faster. Yeah. Maabot mo yun ng kaya mo na sarili mo lang. Pero it is better if you are with the right team. Kung nasa tamang team ka, nasa right circle of people. 'Di ba? And you would know that kung sino yung nagpapabigat sa'yo. You would feel that. And ikaw na rin makapagsabi kung sino yung dapat in-let go, sino yung dapat bitawan. Whether they are friends or family or whatever na na tao sa buhay mo. You are already knowledgeable kung sino yung mga taong well, I hate to say this, but parang nagpapa-crowded lang kasi sa utak mo at saka parang wala silang silbi. Ganon.
Close other game.
So, with the Knight of Swords and Queen of Cups, okay, so nakikita natin yung pagbalik nitong person na ito, like maybe there's a spiritual connection with the High Priestess, Eight of Wands, ayan. At saka may usapang may kinalaman sa family. And or money. Ayan. Money. And also with the Strength card and the Ten of Wands, nakikita tayo dito ng pagta-travel, paglilipat. And I feel like itong person na to will slowly reveal kung ano yung mga gusto niyang mangyari. Ayan. And, kasi maaaring hindi siya nakipag-connect in the past dahil nakita niya parang mali or hindi tama yung mga sinasabi mo sa kanya, but then marirealize niya kung ano yung kung ano talaga yung totoo, and then marirealize niya yung mga bagay na sinabi mo sa kanya na eventually ito pala yung mas magbibigay ng stability para sa kanya. So thank you for watching, guys. I love you all and bye-bye.